Before we get into detail of today's trading, here is good news. India's Goods and Services Tax (GST) collections for October 2025 grew 4.6% year-on-year to 1.96 lakh rupees crore, indicating resilience in consumption despite extensive GST rate rationalization during the month. Agreed that the October GST figures aligns with Indian government expectations, but please note, the street still believes that only the upcoming November to December months will offer a clearer picture of revenue buoyancy under the new lower rate regime. Amidst this backdrop, caution shall continue to be the buzzword for Permabulls camp. Expect volatility to be the hallmark and hopefully, Nifty's 50 DMA at 25,494 mark acts as a very good support. Bottom line, please note, confirmation of strength now only above Nifty 26107 mark. Until 26107 is a resistance, the Gyan mantra for Nifty bulls is to stay cautious. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 6769 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 7068 crores. Nifty's sentiment is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals suggest overbought zone. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 12.15 levels. At last check, USD INR, November, was trading near the 88.78 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 1.11 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 0.85. Nifty outlook, a choppy, range-bound session appears likely, as the Federal Reserve's uncertain stance on a December rate cut, ongoing U.S.-India trade negotiations, and weak India's skew to corporate earnings season leave Dalal Street searching for clear direction. For now, it seems Nifty's all-time high of 26,277.35 may have to wait a little longer, with traders expected to adopt a cautious, wait-and-watch approach and perhaps with negative bias. Nifty, CMP to 5722. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,429 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 26,107 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25550 and 25900. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 83939. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 83,121 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 83,000 and 84400. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 57776. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 56,600 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 58,600 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,000 and 58,000. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty received massive drubbing in Friday's trade. The negative takeaway was that all sectoral indices ended in red barring Nifty PSU banks. Please note, confirmation of strength now only above 26,107 mark. Bottom line, dark cloud cover seen on Dalal Street. Stocks in spotlight. Near-term cues to watch include Q2 earnings. Monday, 3rd November Bharti Airtel, Titan, Power Grid, Ambuja Siemens, Tata Consumer, Ajant Pharma, JK Paper. Tuesday, 4th November SBI, Mandem, Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, Indigo, Indian Hotels, Paytm, Suzlon Energy, Escorts, GRSE. Wednesday, 5th November Sun Pharma, Grasim, Aurobindo Pharma, Blue Star, Delivery, Piramal Pharma, BEML. Our stock markets will remain closed on Wednesday, 5th November 2025 on account of Guru Nanak Jayanti.